How to fix the 503 error that says the service is unavailable. So if you're trying to load a website and you're getting the error 503, I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to go and fix this issue. Now, the first thing you need to do is just go and load up an internet browser on your device. You could then click on the three vertical dots in the top right hand side, and you'll need to scroll down and select Settings. Now, if you come over to this left-hand side, click on Privacy and Security. You could then scroll down to Third-Party Cookies, and then scroll down to See All Site Data and Permissions. Now, what you need to do is go and locate the website that you're having issues accessing. Now, if you can't find it from this list, just use the search box, and then you can go and search for the website that you're having issues with. Once you've found the website, click on the trash icon next to it, and then just press Delete. Now, once you've deleted the cookies, come back over to this left-hand side and scroll down and click on Extensions. You'll then need to toggle off any extensions that you currently have enabled. Now, you can do that just by toggling this button to off like so, and make sure to do this with all of your Google Chrome extensions. Now, once it's finished, you can reload your Chrome browser, and that should have fixed any 503 error messages.